Is there anyone who doesn't like pistachio gelato? I don't know anyone. Today, let's see how to make it at home. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Green Kitchen Channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare delicious and healthy pistachio gelato without an ice cream maker, using a very simple recipe. Let's get started with the ingredients we'll need for making the pistachio gelato. We'll need 100 grams of natural pistachios, 300 milliliters of soy or almond milk, 150 milliliters of soy cream, and 160 grams of maple syrup or an equivalent amount of sweetener of your choice. Let's pour all these ingredients into a blender, turn it on, and blend until we obtain a smooth and homogeneous cream. If you prefer a slightly grainy gelato, you can also use a hand mixer or stop the blender before getting a completely smooth mixture. Once we've achieved the desired consistency for the cream, we pour it into any container and then place it in the freezer. We wait until it freezes completely, which will take about 6 hours. Once it's ready, it will look something like this. We cut it into cubes and then use our blender or mixer. You might need a few minutes of thawing, especially if your blender is not very powerful. If you can't blend it initially, you can add a few tablespoons of plant-based milk to facilitate the process, but don't overdo it. Once it's completely blended, here is our creamy and delicious pistachio gelato. If you want to make it denser, transfer it to a container and leave it in the freezer for at least 40 minutes. This gelato can be kept for about a month in an airtight container. To enjoy it creamy, remember to take it out at least half an hour before eating. Well, that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell to not miss our next videos. Leave a like and provide feedback on the recipe. That's it for today, and I'll see you here again in Green Kitchen Channel in the next video.